Hey there, I'm Robyn and I am the West Coast gardener. I have been gardening for 12 years and today I'd love to show you my harvest from July 25th. If you'd like to join me for other videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to receive notifications when I post every Friday. Let's get to the harvest. This is my garden kitty. He joins me on all sorts of things. So if you want to see more of him and more of me, make sure you head to my Instagram. So I just threw on a jacket because it just started raining, but I already started, so I thought I would finish. So the first thing I'm going to harvest is some berries. Now my kids have been loving the berries and they've been sneaking a lot of the blueberries, but there are a couple of them here and there are a couple of raspberries, so I'm going to grab some of those. And I keep this netting on to keep those birds away. So I am the person who's been after the raspberries every day. I love them. But there are a couple today that I'm going to grab. Yum! So what garden harvest would be complete without some zucchini? Of course, there's lots of that. I actually gave my grandma one yesterday. Well, I'm actually going to grab this big one. My mom likes these, so I think I'll give this one to her. So under cover here, I have some carrots, and I love garden fresh carrots. All right, so here's a little one. There's another little one. Now these nasturtiums are edible, so I'm going to grab a couple of these beautiful flowers. Well, the rain is really picking up, so I think this is going to be the last thing that I'll harvest, and that is my potatoes. We had a bit of early blight, so I had to cut some of them right down, so I'm going to take a couple of those today. And these are delicious Yukon Gold. They are amazing roasted. So here is the final product. I threw some garlic in there because I had just harvested that a couple weeks ago and it looks so pretty. All right, well, I'm kind of surprised with the weather. It was not supposed to rain today. It was supposed to be a mix of sun and cloud, but this has been the strangest year so far for weather. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Let's garden together for happiness and health.